Do you like taking a shower with hot water? Well, if you've got a tankless water heater, listen up, because here's a money-saving tip you definitely don't want to miss. These systems need to be descaled about once a year to keep them running smoothly. Why, people ask? Well, hard water builds up inside, and if you don't clean it out, you can shorten the life of the unit, leading to costly service calls down the road. Well, the good news is you don't have to spend a fortune on this maintenance. Full descaling kits can be found on Amazon for under $150, and they're super straightforward to use. And if you ever get stuck, there are hundreds of YouTube videos on how to do it. Trust me, if I can do it, almost anyone can do it. An annual flush can add years to your water heater and save you hundreds in repairs. If you take care of it now, it's definitely going to take care of you on the long haul. So thanks again for watching this short video. Really appreciate you guys, and have a fantastic week.